Hi, my name is Patrick. Now, this video is to tell you 5 things you must carry to the CAT. I mean, what is important and what you need to carry to the CAT. The important thing is first go to your admit card. I mean, has all the details mentioned correctly. Go to your admit card properly. So first thing that you need to carry is the admit card, right? Take a physical copy of the admit card, not a soft copy, to ensure that you remove, print out, and carry with you, right? Should be clear. Check the photo, check the signature clearly visible. Everything should be clear. The printout should be proper to ensure that there is a clear admit card with you. Okay. There is no need for color printout. You can take a black and white printout as well. That is also fine, right? Second is a photograph. The photograph has to be the same as what is there in your admit card. The same photograph. So you can affix the photograph there as well. You can affix the photograph before you go. I mean, there's no harm in doing that. So affix the photograph on the admit card, right? Don't miss this. I mean, sometimes what happens, the photograph is mismatched. I mean, what is photograph in your admit card and what photograph you have, there's a mismatch on it. That if there's a major mismatch, there could be a problem. Small things may be overlooked, but ensure that the photograph is the same. Third is proof of ID. I mean, that means some valid ID proof, original, not a photocopy, not anything. Ensure that you take original. You can take any one of the following, like PAN card, driving license, voter ID card. It should not be on your phone. Remember, it's a physical copy that you require. So any one of these, Aadhaar card, etc., you can carry with you, right? Okay, they should not be damaged, and the photo should be clear. Remember, they'll check your photograph on the proof. So they should ensure that the photograph on the proof is very clear as such. Fourth, preferably a bottle of water and snacks because the whole process is quite long. I mean, carry some water to sip before the center. I'm not saying drink a lot of water, but a little bit water because there's a chance that you may not get a water during that exam, or it's a tedious process to get a water. You would want to avoid it. So in that case, it makes sense to just sip a little bit water to ensure that you're not dried up in the examination. So carry some snacks, fruit, dry fruits, etc., and some sip of water. Munch before you basically what happens is some students are not able to focus if they're hungry or not eaten for a long time. So a little bit of food before you go that gives you energy, that would help, right? Wait is long and you may feel thirsty or hungry on the way. So ensure, because the time you enter, it could take you almost 1.5 2 hours before you actually start the center, and then 2 hours to write the exam. So by the time you finish the exam, it's almost 3.5 4 hours from the time you reach the center. So in that case, it makes sense to carry a little bit of water and snacks. Your self-belief. You need to be confident. You can't go in the examination without a confidence. I mean, a positive and realistic outlook. That is what is important. I mean, ensure that you do your best during the exam. No matter what happens, ensure that those 2 hours in the exam, you do your best. Don't give up. A lot of students go with the attitude ki, okay, nahi hua, then I will give it up. Don't do it. I mean, no matter what, you want to take admission, you don't want to take admission that year, let 2 hours give your best shot. You're prepared for so long, you paid the fees for the exam, to ensure that 2 hours, give your best and come out with it, right? So these are 5 things that you should carry along with you when you go for the exam. All the best. Do your